Family, Mike Jones here, back with another video. So happy to be back with you guys. I did have a little detour for about a month, so I am apologizing for that today. But I did want to go through my M1 Finance account with you today and kind of go through both of the little accounts that I have in here. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and get right into it. If you would just take a moment to go and smash that like button, hit the subscribe, that would be really awesome. Our goal is still to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the summer. And we are 80 subscribers or 81 subscribers away from doing so. So help us reach that goal if you watch the channel, if you want to support me and my goals. And thank you so much. So here we are. As you can see, we're in our little, what I like to call mini brokerage with M1 Finance. And it's literally called Let's See Where This Gets Us. And so far, our current value is at $215.46. We have gained $48.36, which is a 37% return on the position. Now, when you break it down, our net cash flow is $174.37. Our market gains is $41.09, and our earned dividends is $7.27. Really not bad for a $200 account. Or what was, $170 account. So really not bad. When we look at the different sections, everything is actually in the green, which is very rare. But that's nice to see. So we're gonna definitely add some money to the portfolio before the year ends. At the very least, we want to get this to a $1,500 account. So that is something that we're definitely working on. Our other plans are to go ahead and max out our Roth IRA this year. And then if we could add another $2,000 to our brokerage, that would also be part of the plan. So altogether, we're going to be spending about $10,000 on investing before the year ends, or at least that's the plan. The main priority is the Roth IRA because we do want to max that out every year. Then after that, it would be this account and then the brokerages. Because if you've seen any of my brokerage videos, they are doing pretty fantastic even without me inputting money, which is kind of what you want as an investor. So we're going to go ahead and break down the positions that we do have in each pie slice. And our first slice is Reits. And so we have realty income, which we have right now at 36%. The actual target was 34%. We have store capital, which is at 21.5%. Our actual target was 23%. Well tower, 17%. Our actual target was 15%. LTC Properties, 16.8%. Our actual target was 19%. Simon Property Group, right around 5%, which is what we wanted. And New Residential Investment Corp, or NRZ, is our last position in the slice. So that's doing pretty well altogether. As a collective, we've gained $5.47 from this position, and we're up 20%. So that's absolutely fantastic. With that said, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next pie slice, and that would be the healthcare sector. As you can see, altogether, we're up $3.28 or 11% on this position, and it is at about the target that we wanted, which is 15%. When we look at the positions that we have Merck & Co., which is actually in the negative, down 14 cents with a almost 2% loss. We do have Johnson & Johnson up 91% or 91 cents. I wish it was 91%. For a 14% increase. We have United Health Group up 21% or almost 22%. We have Pfizer up 19%, AbbVie up 23%, and we have Amgen up 5%. So really doing well in the healthcare sector as well. We have earned a little bit of dividends. When you break it down, we've gained $2.69, and we've earned 59 cents in dividends. Now, when we add money to these pies, of course, it's going to go up, and our dividends are definitely going to increase with that. Next up, we have the financial sector. So we have Aflac, JP Morgan and Chase, Bank of America, Bank of Nova Scotia, Toronto Dominion Bank, Royal Bank of Canada, MetLife, T. Rowe Price, and Main Street Capital. And again, a very rare occurrence where everything is in the green. Now it's just cents, so we won't talk about it too much. But as you can see, this Aflac's up 28%, JP Morgan's up 30%, Bank of America's up 38%, Bank of Nova Scotia up 38%, Toronto Dominion Bank up 36%, Royal Bank of Canada up 34%, MetLife up 28%, T. Rowe Price up 51%, and Main Street Capital up 40%. So if we were to have a full share of each of these companies in the portfolio right now, we'd be doing absolutely phenomenal. Of course, that's not always realistic, and that's why you have fractional shares or these pies like this, so you can be spread out and diversified. So the next sector is consumer sector, and PepsiCo is in the slice here. We also have Disney, Costco Wholesale, Home Depot, Target, Nike, Coca-Cola, and Comcast. And as you can see, again, everything is in the green. When you break it down, we have gained $3.85 from this pie slice, and we've also gained 30 cents in dividends from this slice. When we move on to the utility sector, 1 second for that. We do have Southern Company, Dominion Energy, and Next Era Energy. Here we have two positions in the red, but we're really not concerned with it. We know that these companies are super solid, and the amount that they've lost, with quotation marks around that, is not massive at all. So we're really happy with what's going on here. As you can see, we've earned more dividends than we have gained in the growth. So that's always nice to see. Next up, we do have the industrial sector, which is Waste Management Incorporated, Union Pacific, Lockheed Martin, and 3M. And I think this is a very solid slice to have. As you can see, I kind of divvied everything up into their specific sector, and I really tried to make sure that everybody's in their specific sector. Next up, we do have tech. With tech, we have gained $2.80, and we've earned 9 cents in dividends. I'm not expecting too much in dividends from this particular slice because we do have Tesla, we do have Apple, we do have Microsoft, Amazon, Visa, basically all these companies that do not really give huge. They don't give huge dividends. They don't pay out huge dividends. Broadcom is the only one out of all of them that actually pays a massive dividend. So with that, we're actually happy with where we are with this as well. Only Tesla is down, and you know how volatile Tesla is. So we're not too concerned with that sector either. Next up, we do have the telecom sector. And before I go on, I do want to go ahead and say that there will be a link down below for you guys. If you wanted to just copy and paste my actual portfolio, you can go ahead and do that. I'll leave the link for you to go ahead and be able to just copy and paste. That's one of the great things about M1 Finance is you can either draw ideas from my, my little pie, or you can make your own whole portfolio. You can copy mine to a T, whatever you want to do. You have that ability on M1 Finance. Attn is in this sector for us. This is the telecom sector. We have Verizon, we have Shaw Communications, TELUS, and we have Viacom. I think that's a very solid group to have, and I'm not mad at it at all. So we're just going to go ahead and move on from there. We do have the energy sector up next. Energy sector has gained $2.44, and we've gained 40 cents in dividends. And we only have Chevron and Exxon Mobil Corporation. I didn't want to really diversify too much in the energy sector. Now, of course, I am thinking about adding like something like Pavina Pipeline or like ONEOK or OKE to this. It just depends. I don't really want to have too much in the energy sector. I think I have this pie. I'm not sure how much of a ratio it is at for that pie, but we'll see in a second. Yeah, see, I only have about 5.3%. allocated to the energy sector because we don't want to be too much consumed by that. We would rather rely on things like healthcare, the financial sector, consumer utilities, and the tech sector. So that's where we put most of our focus. We do have one bond. So we've gained 7 cents in dividends and we've lost 7 cents in market. So the only bond that we have is the Vanguard Total International Bond. And we can kind of look at this a little bit. As you can see, it's at an average price of $57.81. It does have a 1% dividend yield, and its expense ratio is a little higher than I like, but it's pretty solid. Not at all upset with this. We don't have a major share. As you can see, it's only 0.14 at this point. But like I said, I will be planning on depositing more money into this account. So look forward to that. Let me see if I can actually deposit this money into it. No, I can't. Not right now. Anyways, really happy with that. And so this is just part one of what's going on with my M1 Finance account. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here and I'll make a part two so we can go over my Roth IRA. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.